Achu, come here. What are you doing? Playing, Amma. Aha, that word playing is our today's lesson. It's called a gerund. What is a gerund? A gerund is the ing form of a verb which works like a noun. Examples. Reading is good for your brain. Amma, then eating is good for my stomach. Exactly, you are learning fast. When verbs end in ing and act like nouns, they are called gerunds. More examples. Swimming is fun. Dancing makes me happy. Achu, now tell me, what is a compound gerund? Oh, is it like eating a palm or climbing coconut trees? A compound gerund is a gerund plus its object or complement. Examples. Reading novels improves language. Gerund equals reading, object equals novels. Playing cricket keeps you active. Gerund equals playing, object equals cricket. Eating Amma's biryani is my favorite hobby. Avoiding homework is a skill. Sleeping under the fan is my superpower. Very good. Now make a sentence with cleaning your room. Amma, that's not grammar, that's torture. A common gerund equals ing verb plus object. It still acts like a noun. Examples. Watching movies, solving math problems, singing old songs. Gerunds in active and passive voice. Achu, now tell me, can gerunds be active or passive? No idea? Yes, gerunds can show action or receive it. Active gerund examples. She likes watching movies. Achu enjoys eating dosas. Here, the subject is doing the action. Next, passive gerund examples. Achu enjoys being praised by Amma. She hates being ignored. Here, the subject receives the action. I love playing with my phone all day, but I hate being scolded by Amma. Achu, then stop being lazy. Here, gerund voice summary. In active sentence, subject does the action. In passive sentence, subject receives the action. Friends, do you enjoy watching our grammar videos? Then try being a subscriber. See you next time. Please subscribe for more videos.